Gold finish. For indoor and outdoor use. Made of durable brass. Shackle diameter 6 mm. Lock body 39 mm WX13. 5 mm D by 32 mm H. Keyed lock. Includes 2 locks and 4 keys. Portable padlock. The padlock's U-shaped shackle fits through openings to create a secure closure. Great for locking backpacks, briefcases, tackle boxes, and more. Keyed locking mechanism. Simply insert the key and turn to unlock the shackle. 2 keys included. 2 keys per lock are included. 1 to use and 1 to share or to leave at home for backup. Durable design. Suitable for indoor or outdoor use, the padlock's rugged construction offers long-lasting strength and reliable performance. Amazon Basics 1-9/16" keyed padlock, brass, 2-pack. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent product. Easy to lock and unlock.